Looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on features? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cheapest smartphones of 2025 under $150, each offering amazing value for your money. From 5G connectivity to killer cameras, these phones are packed with everything you need without breaking the bank. Stick around until the end, because the number 1 pick might just surprise you. Let's dive into number 5. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G LTE. Power meets price. Who says budget phones can't look premium? At just $132, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 is bringing flagship vibes without the flagship price. With 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM, you're getting plenty of space and speed for your apps, games, and everything in between. The massive 6.67-inch display gives you a smooth and immersive viewing experience, perfect for binge watching or doom scrolling. But wait, here's the showstopper: a stunning 108MP main camera. That's right, capture jaw-dropping photos like a pro. Battery: the 5000 mAh battery keeps you going all day without breaking a sweat. And yes, it's unlocked with global bands, so whether you're on T-Mobile, Mint, or Teo, you're covered. Plus, the sleek midnight black finish gives it that high-end feel. For just $132, this phone punches way above its weight class. 108MP on a budget. Now that's wild. Stay tuned for number 4. It only gets better. Number 4. Moto G Power 5G 2024. Budget beast with real power. Coming in hot at just $115, the Moto G Power 5G 2024 is proof that budget phones don't need to compromise on performance. This bad boy packs a punch with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, letting you run apps, stream, and game with ease. The MediaTek Dimensity chipset under the hood keeps things fast and snappy, and yes, it's 5G ready. So you're future-proof for blazing speeds. Its 6.5-inch FHD display refreshes at 120 Hz, making every swipe, scroll, and tap buttery smooth. And that 50MP camera? Sharp, crisp, and surprisingly good for this price range. Battery: don't worry about running out of juice. This phone is built to last all day and more with its large battery. Unlocked and optimized for US networks, this midnight blue beauty brings style, speed, and stamina. For just $115, this is hands down one of the best 5G deals you'll find in 2025. Number 3 is coming. Stay locked in. Number 3. Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Big screen, big value. At just $130, the Xiaomi Redmi 12C delivers serious bang for your buck. You're getting 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM, giving you the freedom to multitask and store all your favorite apps, photos, and videos without constantly cleaning house. The giant 6.71-inch display makes everything look better, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling. It features a solid 50MP dual camera setup that's perfect for snapping shots on the go. Plus, it comes with a fast car charger bundle, so you're powered up wherever you are. Fully unlocked with support for T-Mobile, Mint, Teo, and global networks. This one's ready to roll out of the box. Wrapped in an eye-catching ocean blue finish, this phone doesn't just perform, it turns heads. For $130, the Redmi 12C offers a massive screen and dependable power, plus a bonus charger. That's a win-win. Ready for number 2? Send it over. Number 2. Moto G Play 2024. The budget boss. Say hello to the Moto G Play 2024, the king of value at just $73. That's right, this phone is for everyone who wants a smooth, reliable smartphone without draining their wallet. It features 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, perfect for your everyday tasks, from texting and browsing to watching videos on its 6.5-inch HD display. Don't let the price fool you. This thing has a 50MP main camera, which is rare at this price point. Snap sharp, vibrant photos and share your life without compromise. Battery: the large battery offers up to 3 days of usage on a single charge. Yes, 3 days. Fully unlocked and optimized for US carriers. It's ready to go right out of the box. Plus, the sapphire blue finish gives it a stylish, modern touch. At just $73, the Moto G Play is practically a steal. It's a power-packed daily driver for pocket change. Almost there. Hit me with number 1. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A15, the ultimate budget champion. Taking the crown at number 1, the Samsung Galaxy A15 proves that budget phones can be both beautiful and beastly. At just $123, you're getting serious value with 128 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM. Perfect for multitasking, gaming, or binging your favorite shows. The vibrant 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display delivers crisp visuals that are a joy to look at, even under sunlight. Backed by Samsung's smooth and secure interface, this phone is ideal for both casual users and on-the-go hustlers. It's factory unlocked, dual SIM, and globally compatible, flexibility at its best. Package: and yes, it includes a ring grip case bundle for added style and a more secure grip right out of the box. The sleek blue-black color completes the premium vibe without the premium cost. High voltage bold line. For just $123, the Galaxy A15 delivers style, speed, and Samsung quality. It's the undisputed budget king of 2025.